Good morning, everybody, and welcome to 3923 Chester Drive in Glenview. I'm pleased to present this new-to-market home. It's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. It has an unfinished basement, a wonderful flat yard, and an interior location of Glenview, District 30, and it's Willowbrook School, Maple, and Glenbrook South. So come on with me, walk with me as we go through this beautiful house. I look forward to showing it to you. So as we walk in, you'll notice that everything has been upgraded here. We have this beautiful tile, hardwood floors, and this beautiful wrought iron railing. I'm jealous, I want this in my house. And it's this wonderful open floor plan that everybody has been requesting. And the paint throughout is the popular owl gray. Nice light fixtures. Moving on into the kitchen, we have this pretty slate floor. Stainless steel appliances. We have a new cooktop. Check out this backsplash, isn't that cool? I love that. Quartz counters, the whites and grays that are popular right now. Okay, so heading on down into the family room, this is the LPV vinyl floor, the luxury vinyl slider door out. So we have a newer roof, new windows, new doors. Not a speck of work needs to be done here. Check out this coveted first floor laundry room. Plenty of room to put cubbies or hooks, shelving, whatever else you might need here. And there's a door out to the backyard. And here's the half bath. So we have all new interior doors throughout the house as well, new light fixtures, new baseboards. The taxes here are not showing any exemptions, so if you have a regular homeowner's exemption, it will be less. Right now they are $12,272. We'll go on up. I gotta show you the bathrooms, they're so pretty. The house, according to the tax assessor, is 2,600 square feet. This is the main family bath. 2 sinks. Closet here. And the hardwoods carry throughout the house. 4 true bedrooms upstairs, all on the same level, which is nice for a young family. Let's go into the master. The master faces south. So we have a double closet here. And the light gray paint throughout too with the white trim. And then this is sort of a corner closet. It goes all the way through here and through here, and the closet organizers in all the closets. And then check out this beautiful vanity, the mirror colors and the light fixtures. Very tastefully done, I'd say. And we have a rain shower. So, floor to ceiling marble tile, and then the gray. Isn't that pretty? Yeah. And then we have gray tile floor. And the 2 sinks in here is key. All right, so 2 more bedrooms. So as I said, there's 4 bedrooms up here. All good size rooms. We're gonna have company soon. Okay. And there's an unfinished basement. So, down in the basement we have a full dry basement, newer furnace, hot water heater, some pump, electrical, here. That completes our tour. If you'd like some more information, please call me at 847-477-4825. I'd be happy to set up a private showing for you and answer any questions. I look forward to connecting with you. Bye.